Smiling faces, the family way. Margaret Lewin Quilting will make your day.
Hi, I'm Margaret Lewin and welcome to Margaret Lewin Quilting. Today is Tuesday, so we all know what that means. It's Quick Tip Tuesday. And my quick tip for you today is all about my seam ripper. Many of you know I am a huge fan of Jack the Seam Ripper. He's available through Facebook. That's how I always get a hold of him. His wife, Shirley, is actually a member of our Facebook group, but this is one of my Jack the Seam Ripper seam rippers. And the reason why I like it is, number one, it's extremely sharp, and if it ever goes dull, I can get new seam rippers directly from Jack, and there's my little seam ripper. On the other end, I have a stiletto, and when I'm making my different bags and things, this comes in extremely handy. The other thing that I like about it is cuter than cute. I love it, and I figure if I have to do one of the most dreaded tasks of sewing, which is ripping out what I've sewn, I might as well have something really pretty to do it with. So this is one of my favorite tools. Just to show you how much I love it, this is another one of my favorite tools. This one is my purple Jack the Seam Ripper. Hang on, because I've got more. I also have Jack the Seam Ripper needle holder, needle case, and you open this up. I'm gonna open it for you, and inside you can put your little needles for hand sewing. The great thing about this one is, guess what? It comes on a little keychain so that you can actually hook it to something and have your little needle case close by. And then Jack recently came up with a needle threader. And this is one that Jack sent to me to try out. It has two different sizes. It's got a small one, and I'll flip it over and show you the other side. And it has a larger one. So that's another one of the little tools that Jack the Seam Ripper does have. So my question for you today is, what is your favorite notion in your sewing room? Please leave a comment below so that we can all check out everybody's favorite notions. We all know that we all love a really good notion. And to me, my Jack the Seam Ripper is. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you again really soon. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.
Smiling faces, the family way. Margaret Lewin Quilting will make your day.